Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and it's 8:35 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida, and it's pretty overcast. And I ran across this station here, and I don't know what I've got on my radio. What is this on my radio? It sounds Oriental. I did the filter here, and it shows a couple of stations, none of which I recognize. And then if I go to, let me see how I can do that, go to here. Here is short-wave.info, and I put in that frequency, 9.465, and I came up with those same two stations, and they're over here in, I don't know exactly where that is. Let me click on the old flag there. That usually will. Ooh, okay, let's see. This one, this is a little bar here that tells you kind of the signal strength that should be at your location. So let me click on this flag here and see where it is on the map. Where are we? Oh, we're over in the Philippines for one station. I don't know about the other one. Let me go back and try the other station, which is less likely. And it's Taiwan. So my question is, and I know I've got a lot of listeners over in this area, what station am I hearing? It's, if I go back one more time and I click on, say this one here, if I click on the station name, it will look that up in the database, all the entries. And so if I look down here, I don't see any broadcasts in English from this station. So my chances of understanding anything from this station are 0. Now if we go back, I select the other one, and it's, again, nothing in English that I could understand. So I need your help. What is the station I've found? If you can tell me that, I'd appreciate it. If you enjoyed the show, give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye. Let me go back here for a minute just to let you hear the station some more. Turn the mute off. Some kind of music. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.